friends, today we're going to be talking about word problems. We are going to be talking about addition word problems. First, watch this lesson and then do the practice that is attached. You can split up the lesson if you'd like. Watch the lesson today, then do practice tomorrow, or do both in one day and not have work tomorrow. Let's start talking about our signal words. Our signal words for addition are how many, how much, how many in all, and how many all together. We are going to be filling out this side of the chart, addition. This is how you fill it out. I click on my signal word and I Control C to copy and delete. Then I go to the next page, Control V, and I can drag up to the first column of addition. Let's try that again. I click on the signal word and press Control X. To copy and delete. I go to the next page, Control V, and I drag up to my addition. So we have how many and how much. 2 more to go. Control C to copy, then delete button. Go to the next page, Control V, and drag my word to the right table. How many in all? Here's our last signal word. How many altogether? I click, Control C, then press delete. Go to the next page, press Control V, and I drag over to my addition column. Let's read our signal words again. Remember, signal words are what tell us what operation we are going to use in our word problems. We have how many, how much, how many in all, how many altogether. Good. Let's talk about what steps we take when solving word problems. Number 1, read the word problem. Number 2, circle the numbers. Number 3, underline the question sentence. Number 4, put a box around the signal words. Number 5, solve the problem and check your work. Each step that we take, we will want to take our check mark and put next to the step when we are done. So let's read again. Solving word problems. Number 1, read the word problem. Look over here. Everyone earned 4 Skittles. Then they earned 5 Skittles. How many Skittles did everyone earn? So now I've read my word problem. I'm going to check that off. The next step is circle the numbers. I can drag my circle right from my checklist. I see the number 4, and I will circle. I see the number 5, and I will circle the number. Do I see any more numbers? No. So I'm all done with that step. Number 3, underline the question sentence. My question sentence is the question at the end of the word problem that asks what the question is asking. How many Skittles did everyone earn? That is my question sentence. How many Skittles did everyone earn? So I will drag my lines over. Okay, now that I've written that down, I want to press done. Number 4, put a box around our signal words. Let's go back to our signal words one page. We have How many? How much? How many in all? How many altogether? Let's read this again. Everyone earned 4 Skittles. No signal words there. Then they earned 5 Skittles. No signal words there. How many Skittles did everyone earn? Oh, I see signal words. How many? So I'll put my box around how many. Then I will click Done. The last step is to solve the problem and check your work. So we have our total up here. We don't know our total yet, but we know our parts. Part 1, everyone earned 4 Skittles. So I want to take my 4 and put it in my part. Then they earned 5 Skittles. I know that that's another part. I'll put 5 over here. We know that we are adding, so we'll want to take our addition symbol and put it right here. We have our part plus part equals our total. What is our total? 4 plus 5 equals 9. Our total is 9. So the answer to our problem is 4 plus 5 equals 9. Our answer is everyone earned 9 Skittles. We put a check when we are done solving our problem. And to check our work, we can say, put our numbers to the side, 9 minus 5 equals 4, to see if that is a true statement. If it is, our answer is correct. Let's do one more together. Solving word problems. Step 1, read the word problem. Nicole saw 2 of her friends in the morning. At PE, she saw 3 more of her friends. How many friends did she see altogether today? My first step is done. Step 2, circle the numbers. I see the number 2 and the number 3. Done with step number 2. Underline the question sentence. I find my question mark and read the sentence that is there. How many friends did she see all together today? Underline. And then we check that off. Put a box around the signal word. Let's go back to our signal words one more time. How many, how much, how many in all, how many altogether. Let's read again. I see Nicole saw 2 of her friends in the morning. At PE, she saw 3 more of her friends. I know more is a signal word. More. How many friends did she see altogether? I know that how many is another signal word. Check. Solve the problem and check your work. So far, I know my parts. 2 is one of my parts, and 3 is one of my parts. 2 plus 3 equals 5. 2 plus 3 equals 5. I now know my total. 5. Check. How many friends did she see all together today? 5 friends. Now it's your turn. Do the practice that is attached to this assignment after watching this video. If you need to watch it again, please do, and then practice.